Why do I need an iPhone SE2? Does the market need such an iPhone SE2? Definitely needed. The restrictions that Apple is imposing are definitely forced and justifiable. After all, 3D Touch today is not even in the flagship iPhone. Wireless charging is an extremely optional tool that many have never used, and a single camera, as the iPhone XR proved to us, can be very high quality and functional. Well, for the price that analysts predict the iPhone SE2, it will be a real gift, which is more than relevant in the era of dominance of flagships with a retail price of $1,000 and above. It is possible that against the background of a total reduction in price, the induction module providing wireless charging will also disappear from the iPhone SE2 design. But then such a device will cost more than affordable, especially against the background of current flagships, $399 for the basic configuration. It is claimed that it will carry 64 GB of internal memory, and the top, 128 or 256 GB. Perhaps this will not seem enough to someone, but do not forget that, firstly, this is still a budget smartphone, and secondly, Apple has its own cloud service, access to which is provided for quite sane money.